Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So today we're doing day 6 of the 7 days 7 looks 7 palettes. And so the palette we're going to be using today is the Revolution and Tammi Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette. It's really pretty, but the mattes are kind of patchy. I do want to try this one in the crease, just as the crease shade, but going really lightly with it. What shade is that again? Spice Island. I don't think I really liked that last time I used it, but I used it for a few days and I didn't really like the mattes, so we're just going to try that again. For actual base shade, we're just going to use the white chocolate out of the Too Faced chocolate bar. So I'm going to go in with that now because the Tammi Clark one doesn't have it in. I hate it when palettes don't have this shade in. I feel like it's necessary for me to have this kind of cream ivory shade in the palette, just to smooth out my NYX white base, what I use for primer. So let's zoom in now. Right, so I'm just going to clean the brush off. And then we're just going to dip into Spice Island really gently. You can always build the colour up. So just that one. Yeah, there's barely any on the brush. And it's still really pigmented. I don't want it too pigmented. So I'm just starting off in this outer corner here. And then I'm just going to blend it in. I don't even know if I've put enough on the actual brush to blend it all in. I only put a tiny amount on. Yeah, that's looking quite good. That's actually blended out a lot better than when I used it last. That's because I only used the tiniest amount. So if I use this palette again, I'll probably do that with the other shades in it, because we've got a ton of mattes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 mattes in this palette. So they have provided quite a lot of mattes in it, but I do actually prefer it for the shimmers. I think I put a bit more on. This one isn't blending out as well. For whatever reason, I'm trying to get it into the outer V here. It's just not blending. I might just have to put some colour down there instead. Oh, the problematic left eye. We'll just make sure it's blended up in the crease. It's about the same on each side, but I need to put a little bit down in the outer V. I think it's because my eyes are running a little bit. And then we'll do a bit on the right eye. Okay, right, so now I'm going to go in with greens, this one here, just on the inner portion and outer portion of the lid. I absolutely love this shade. Now if we're lucky, we'll get through this video before the battery cuts us off. I'm just gonna get my setting spray. Okay, so gonna go back into greens and try and get it more pigmented. Right, then we're gonna take that off the brush, and then I want to go in with this shade here. Absolutely love that shade as well. I think it's called, yeah, it's called Calypso. So I don't think I've used this palette since I did the look for the NHS and essential workers, and that's on the channel as well. As you can't miss it. As soon as you go onto my channel, it kind of like plays itself. It's kind of a welcome video to my page, and I've not taken it down just because I am still very thankful for what the essential workers do for us, and obviously the NHS as well. Oh, this is looking nice. I've never done this look before, but that is looking nice. There's something about playing with colour in winter that kind of cheers you up. Like before I sat down to do this video, I was like feeling meh a little bit, and just playing with the colour has actually cheered me up a little bit, which is nice. So I'm just going to go back into the Too Faced palette for the white chocolate shade. Just put that on the brow bone. Yeah, I'm not one of these people that just think, oh well, colour is for spring and summer. I kind of play with it any time of year, and I didn't really have a choice with this one because Pretty Random picked it out for me, and I'm glad they did because I really like that look. Right, I don't know what I'm going to use for it in a corner. Let's have a look. See, she hasn't really put any shades in for in a corner, and I don't want to put a dark one there. I mean, I could put this pop of blue, that might look nice, or this like purple here, but I'm not going to. I'll use one from the Too Faced palette. I'll use this Champagne Truffle one here. I could have probably put that green in the inner corner as well. Oh well, not to worry. Right, so as you can see, I've actually put that Calypso green over. I basically put the Champagne Truffle down from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and then I thought, well, it would actually look nice as the inner corner as well. So I put that over the Champagne Truffle, and it just lightens it a little bit, and I feel like it looks really, really pretty. Not too sure what's going on the lash line yet, probably that orange to be fair, but my eyes are running, so we'll just do the rest of the makeup. We'll do my tight lining and my mascara, which will probably make them run even more, but I'll just get the products that I need. Right, so for tight lining, as always, it's just a Too Faced Love eyeliner in Perfect Black. And if this is going to make my eyes run too much, I'm just going to stop doing it. That'll do. They've just been really, really sensitive these past few days, and I don't really want to end up with eye infections. So now we're using the mascara by Essence that I've been using a lot recently. It's the only one that's open at the moment. It's a really, really good mascara. I absolutely love it. Okay, let me just get my brush. Right, so I'm just going to use this BH Cosmetics one. I don't know what the number of the brush is, but it's just like a little wing eyeliner one. So what I might do is I'm going to go in with Spice Island first, which is this orange. So I'm going to go in with that one first. And then I might go in with the greens that I've used as well. Yeah, and then we'll go in with greens. I don't really like to go in with shimmery eyeshadows really. So what I'm going to do with this green shade, just basically follow what I've done with it on the eye. So inner corner and outer portion. It's not really showing up because my eyes are just so watery. Let's try here. Try the other eye. No, it's not really showing. I'm going to put Calypso in the middle, that lime green. But can you see it's not showing up as much? It's probably due to the fact that I put the Spice Island down, but it's not showing up as much as it is on the eyelids because my eyes are watering so badly. Right, we're just going to leave it like that. So that's everything for the palette. I just need to go and choose a lipstick now. Right, now these weren't any of the lipsticks that Pretty Random chose for me, but I've got 3 Stila minis and they're getting on the older side now, so as I've got to go to the store I want to wear one of these. It's probably better to stick with a more neutral one, which is Perla. I wear patina a lot and Serenato is going to be too dark. It's like a dark brown for this look. So yeah, let's go with Perla. It is quite pink undertoned as well. I think that looks nice though. Right, now these weren't any of the lipsticks that Pretty Random chose for me, but I've got 3 Stila minis and they're getting on the older side now, so as I've got to go to the store I want to wear one of these. It's probably better to stick with a more neutral one, which is Perla. I wear patina a lot and Serenato is going to be too dark. It's like a dark brown for this look. So yeah, let's go with Perla. It is quite pink undertoned as well. I think that looks nice though. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way the looks come together with that lipstick. This is the kind of lipstick that I would say it's your lips but better. And I really like the way the looks come out today. Normally I don't like any mattes from that palette on my eyelids in the crease, but because I've only gone in really gently, I've barely put any on my brush, it's worked out better than it has previous times. So it's just trial and error when I use that palette obviously. They're just really pigmented. Some of Revolution palettes can be like that, some are not so much like that. I guess Tammi wanted to make it that way because she made that palette for herself, for her skin tone. So yeah, and I'm obviously pale AF, so I just need to be a little bit more considerate of that and not go in as heavy-handed, because I can be quite heavy-handed when I put eyeshadow on, and then I just think, oh gosh, what a mess. But yeah, I really do like this look. This is what it came out like. But I'm not surprised. I absolutely adore green eyeshadow. It's probably one of my favourites to use on the eyelids. Yeah, I just think it looks really, really pretty, and I'll definitely use that combination again in the near future. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please like, share and comment, and if you've not already subscribed, why not hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell, and that will tell you when I upload. At the moment I'm uploading 7 days a week. I'm finding it quite difficult because there'll be some days, like there's been some days recently where I've been quite poorly and I've not uploaded, so the Shop My Stash is carrying on a little bit more than I wanted it to. I wanted it to just carry on for a week, but you can't always rely on the fact that you can post every single day. I don't think I'm doing too badly. I'm just going 1 or 2 days over at the moment, and we'll be picking some more products out soon. I've already done a list like I did last time. I don't know if you like to see it that way, or if you want me to basically sit down with you and go through it, where basically, you know, I go to Pretty Random and go to my spreadsheets, but I just feel like that part of the Shop My Stash is pretty boring, so it's better for me to write things down and then take you through my collection. That is the, like, to me, that is the most exciting thing anyway, seeing someone's collection, not really watching them write down the products that they have to pick. Yeah, let me know your thoughts anyway, I would love to know. This concludes our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.